Hello and welcome. Here today we'll be looking at this 5x8 smoker. It's a 250 gallon barrel. It's going to be 72 inches long, 30 inches round. On the front, we've got our coupler. We have our jack, safety chains, our power connector for our lights. It is a 4-pin. As we can see in the front, there is a prep counter. There's also cool touch handles. So when you lift this up, you can then lift open the door. Now I have put the temperature gauges in. They are threaded. The temperature gauges on here go from 50 Fahrenheit to 550 Fahrenheit. The trailer sits on a 3,500 pound axle. It's a 5 lug. It has a black steel wheel. They are radial tires. Now it is a 15-inch. At the top, we've got our warming box. There's a latch to open it. Now, each one of the smoker gauges, when you pick up the trailer, will come in a box. We can also install them for you while you're here. In the warming box, there are 2 slide trays. As we can see, there's channels notched for the slide trays. We can see our gauge sticking through the door so we can check the temperatures within the warming area. Looking a little bit lower on the smoker, we've got our firebox. Now on each side, you'll have a damper that you can open and close that allows you to control the airflow. The trailer is equipped with brake lights. We've got our firebox. As we can see, we have a grate. That way you can put your wood in there. And or charcoal. We've got the opening for the smoke to go into the barrel. Same thing on the back here. Got a latch. On the back side, we can see there's an air opening on the warming box and the firebox. We have our large wood cage. It's got the expanded metal on there. Circle back around to the front. There's a drain port on the smoker. If you have any additional questions on this unit, please feel free to give us a call at 615-641-7720. Thank you. Have a great day.